Yes. Splendid. Do you know its worth? What? Ah, it's fine. All finished. Pay me no mind.
Thank you for your patronage.
Ruined everything!
Looks like you're outside. Matches your inside.
You'll die a painful death. Hell, you'll kill me! Disgusting garbage! Crush you! Give me the blood! Now! Don't be shy. Show me your terror. Now, time to die. I'll eat you up, every last morsel. Winters! You'll never see your rose again! Succumb to your despair! Curse you!
You're the one who's cursed. Looks like I'm getting out of this place. Rose.
Hear our voice together as one in reverence. We call on thee within thee. As the midnight moon rises on black wings, we await the light at the end. In life and in death, glory to Mother Miranda.
Hey, remember me? I almost died up at that castle. Tell me, what is going on around here?
How can a man be almost dead? That's a question for the wise.
You know what I mean. And I still haven't found Rose. Where did Mother Miranda take her?
You're too late! Or maybe almost too late. The child will be sacrificed, life for life.
What kind of sick medieval shit is this? She's just a baby.
The crests of the four bloodlines may open the path you seek.
Will you please stop talking in riddles? I just want to find my daughter.
It's only a riddle if you don't know the answer.
Wait a second. That looks familiar. Hey, wait! Is this?
There you are. I had a feeling you would pop up here.
It was all worthless.
Is that so? I assume you've picked up something of value.
Not sure if it's of value, but
Why, you have your daughter right in your own hands.
what are you saying?
Take a closer look. That flask seems to contain her head.
No. What?
Rose is...
Don't say another word! This is impossible! This just can't be!
Your daughter's essence is still intact. Her powers are truly unique.
Who could even do this?
She can be saved, you know.
Saved? From this? Are you insane?
There's a house with a red chimney on the western side of the village. Go and seek out the man who lives there. Then we can continue our conversation.
Quit holding out and get to the damn point!
You don't have to trust my words. But do you have any better options? Your choice. The customer is always right. After all.
You'll pay if I find out this is a lie. Fucking joker.